Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Otey. I am a licensed attorney in the state of Georgia as well as the District of Columbia. I am the founder and managing member of the law office of LMOT here in Atlanta, Georgia, where our primary practice areas are estate planning, asset protection, and veterans benefits planning. Today I wanted to drop a quick video to discuss some frequently asked questions that we receive regarding estates and estate plannings. So let's get into it. What is an estate? An estate is simply defined as the totality of a person's assets at their time of death. Again, an estate is simply defined as the totality of a person's assets at their time of death. So what's an estate plan? An estate plan is a set of legal documents that formalize a process for how your assets are distributed after you die. That's it. An estate plan just lets the people who are appointed or the courts know how your assets are to be distributed, who gets what, and when they get it. Now, what are considered assets? Assets are considered personal property, real property, cash, stocks, bonds, CDs, and even cryptocurrencies. And I want to dispel a quick misconception here. There is no minimum or maximum amount of assets that is needed to create an estate. If a person dies with any sort of assets, there has been an estate created and there needs to be a distribution of those assets. Now, what type of documents are usually included in an estate plan? Usually you will have a will or a testamentary document, you will have a living will or a living trust, you will have a power of attorney, as well as a HIPAA release form. Those are some of the primary documents that we recommend including in your estate plan. Now, what happens if you don't have an estate plan? If you die intestate, that means without a will or a trust document, the courts will intervene on your behalf, and then they will take an inventory of all of your assets. They will usually liquidate those assets and distribute them to your heirs and your creditors if your creditors have made a claim. This is called the probate process. Whenever a person dies intestate, that means without a will, the courts will intervene and decide who gets what, when they get it, and how much they get. This is Attorney Liesa OT, dropping a quick video to explain some frequently asked questions and concepts surrounding estate planning. If you enjoyed the information you received in this video today, please like, share, and subscribe.